I'm gonna bring in the RAM. Let me unbox the RAM. My nails are not that sharp. Yeah, so I think these will be pretty good. I wonder if I can program the RGB to be white. That would be kind of cool. It's either that or blue. But, so we've got our RAM here. Did I get two 32 gigabyte sticks? Crap, really? I swear that I got 4. There's a little diagram here, DDR4A1, A2, B1, and B2. There's 4 there, and there's 4 slots here respectively. Because I'm using 2 sticks of RAM, I need to use A2 and B2 as it sort of labels that here, saying first. If you only have 2 sticks of RAM, you stick them into those 2 slots. So again, respectively, it's the 2nd and the 4th slot. So I'm gonna open the 2nd and the 4th slot right here. And I take that sticker off, I guess, probably? Or do you leave that on? I'm gonna leave it. I'll leave the sticker. Do I just go like this, I guess? And then it sort of locks in? Nope. Or do I press a little more? I'm gonna be really careful about that. So, what do I do? Help. Help. I think I just need to probably watch like another 15 seconds into the tutorial video. Yeah, so it was literally 3 seconds further into the video, and it does say you have to apply firm pressure, so here I go. Oh, that feels scary. You have to press very, very harder than you're comfortable with to get these in. It feels like you might cause some damage, but then it just clicks in. The RAM is in and the CPU is in. The next step, I think. My next step is to install the SSD. It is a PCI 4 M.2 SSD. So this one has really good reviews. So if you're looking for a good SSD, this one is good. So it looks a little thick on top. So I don't know if that's a heatsink. It looks like there's screws here. That may be the heatsink that I could detach. I'm not too sure. Okay, maybe I'll look up a tutorial on this. It turns out most people will buy this just to use it in their PlayStation 5 because it has a heatsink. Though I think that a lot of SSDs have heatsinks, but I don't think that means you can't use it in a PC. Obviously you can. And I think aesthetically I would go with this, but I don't have a screwdriver that's small enough to get to these screws. So what I'll do is I will take out this screw here. Oh, come on. Okay, I think my screwdriver is a little bit stripped itself, and I'm very nervous to strip this screw. Okay, so how the I have a few other screwdrivers here. It's getting very late. It's about 2:15. So after I put this SSD in, I'm going to bed and then I will come back fresh brained. There we go. There's a very, very tiny screw. That right there. If anybody is taking notes or anything, or if this is actually educational, there's a notch here and you'll see a corresponding notch on the spot down there. Oh, that sounded like it was scraping. All right, I'm just gonna assume that that's just what that sounds like. All right, so I don't think I need to tighten that too much. This is secure. Hey, it actually kind of looks nice, you know? Tiny dash of red, which corresponds with the red here. You know, a little bit of color coordination, just a very tiny little accent there. That's cool. I'm gonna go to bed, come back to this tomorrow, and hopefully finish up the rest of it